This clinic opened late 2017. We try to accommodate anyone who is in need, regardless of their financial situation.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. You're here for an appointment?
I am.
Awesome. You can grab a seat.
Thank you.
Thanks.
We're open to anyone in the Calgary community who's seeking either assessment or therapy or intervention services.
Hi, Kate. Oh, it's wonderful to see you. Come on back.
I think what makes our clinic unique is that we really take a scientist practitioner model, and so we're very interested in understanding what course of treatment is best for each patient or client that we see.
We'll just be in here. Have a seat.
We do that through what we call outcome monitoring. The folks who come and see us, if they're willing to provide us with additional information, we track their progress while they're working with us, and we just use that internally to determine how we're doing as clinicians to help teach the next generation of psychologists and to ensure that we're offering the highest quality of care.
Okay, why don't we head on back? One of my favorite things about working in psychology and research and clinical practice is just talking to people, hearing their stories. And with this clinic, having so many people here in-house and being able to reach out to the community in this way really allows us to see those stories and hear those experiences and work with people, and that's really what's so fulfilling for me.
What's next?
It's pay what you can. We don't want finances to be a deterrent for anyone coming through. So if people are not able to afford services, then we can offer services for free. We're very fortunate to have donors. Lori, Edgar, and Steve Lau very generously supported us in this initiative, and because of their generosity, we've been able to establish this in-house training clinic. I think that we have a great training facility. I think that we really care, probably most importantly, about our clients and the services that we're offering here. I think we're a great state-of-the-art clinic, and I love that we're able to offer these services to the community on a sliding scale. I am very proud of this clinic and this program.